Hello, welcome to Shervaries. This is Sri Lakshmi. Our website is shervaries.in. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some Bengal special saris. We're going to look at mill matka saris, pure matka muslin saris, and some semi matka muslin saris. The links to each of these saris will be given in the description box below. The link to this collection is also given in the description box below. Let's take a look at today's video. The first sari for today is a pure matka muslin sari. The sari is in matka silk here, and in the pallu you have pure muslin silk. So this sari comes with a silk mark tag, as you can see here. This sari sits very comfortably on your skin. This is how it would look if you pleat it up. This sari has floral motifs all over with black borders on both sides. It feels very soft and cool. The pallu has fine jamdani woven motifs. You can see that it has floral motifs and bird motifs in vibrant and attractive colors. Here's another view of the pallu. This sari comes with this fine matka silk blouse. It has black borders on both sides. The next sari is also a pure matka muslin silk sari. It comes in beige and black with floral jamdani motifs all over the sari, as you can see like this. Jamdani weaving is a fine weaving technique. You can see that there are no threads sticking out at the back. It's a very beautiful hand woven motif that's seen all over the sari. This sari comes with this beautiful and vibrant pallu. It has bird motifs, floral motifs and plant motifs, making it look very attractive and elegant. Here's another view of the pallu. The sari comes with a silk mark tag, as you can see, and with a beautiful muslin pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. You can see that the sari is easy to drape as well. This sari comes with this plain matka silk blouse with black borders. You can see that it's in a slightly darker shade of brown as compared to the sari which is in beige. The next sari is a pure matka muslin silk sari again. It's in bright yellow with black borders on both sides. It has beautiful floral jamdani motifs all over the sari, as you can see here. And see how beautiful this jamdani weaving is. No threads sticking out. This is the pallu for this sari. It has bird motifs, plant motifs and floral motifs, and it's in such beautiful colors that stand out against this yellow background. The pallu is in pure muslin silk, so this sari comes with a silk mark tag. The body of the sari is in matka silk. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This sari comes with this matka silk blouse with black borders on both sides. The next sari is yet another pure matka muslin silk sari. It's such an alluring shade of peach. As you can see, it looks very attractive with black borders. It has floral jamdani motifs all over again, like this. This is the beautiful muslin silk pallu for this sari. It has bird motifs, floral motifs and plant motifs in various colors, making it look very attractive. This sari comes with a silk mark tag as well. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This is the blouse for this sari in matka silk. You can notice that it is in a slightly darker shade of peach as compared to the rest of the sari. Next, we're going to look at some mill matka saris. This sari is in fuchsia pink with attractive gold zari borders on both sides. It has floral jamdani motifs all over the sari like this. This sari comes with a muslin pallu. It looks very soothing and attractive. As you can see, it has beautiful floral motifs all over. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. This sari comes with this plain and simple running blouse, but the fabric is slightly softer than the rest of the sari. It comes with zari borders as well on both sides. Next is a mill matka sari again. It has plain body and it comes with a beautiful temple border. This sari is in a beautiful color combination, that's white and red. It is a much loved color combination in Bengal, as many of you might know. This temple border runs throughout the sari. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it looks. This sari comes with this beautiful red pallu with triple colored paisley motifs. It has a little bit of gold as well, making it look very attractive. We have many colors available in this pattern. Here's another view of the pallu. This sari comes with a handloom mark tag indicating that it's a hand woven sari. This sari comes with this beautiful contrast blouse. It's in dual tone. The next sari is a beautiful matka muslin sari again. This is a semi matka muslin sari. This sari has a lovely pattern. You can see that right from half of the pallu and up to the center pleats portion, you have this floral jamdani patterns all over. The sari itself is in a dual tone. You can see that it's mostly parrot green, but it has a bit of yellow tinge to it, making it look very attractive. And that is further highlighted by these yellow piping borders on both sides. This is in fine muslin silk, as you can see. This sari comes with a matka silk pallu with simple lines in the same color. And of course, half of the jamdani patterns also appear over here. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it looks. This sari comes with this beautiful matka silk blouse in the same color as the rest of the sari. The last sari for today is a very beautiful semi matka muslin sari in teal blue color. This sari has these beautiful and attractive jamdani woven patterns, floral patterns, woven almost till the center pleats and right up to the beginning of the pallu. The pallu, you can see, is in matka silk. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look. These jamdani patterns are on muslin silk. It's a semi matka muslin silk sari. This sari comes with this beautiful matka silk blouse. I hope you liked the saris that we showed in today's video. The links to each of these saris are given in the description box below. Our website is sharvaris.in. Please let us know in the comment section what kind of saris you would like to see in our upcoming videos. We'll try our best to show you those saris. If you like our channel, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.